Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, protein-rich paratha with leftover rotis. This recipe is eggless and a vegetarian version of egg roti. You can call it as an eggless egg paratha. It's a special kind of protein-rich paratha and it's easy to make, especially in those busy mornings. It has more protein than an egg roti, but it is made without egg and perfect for vegetarians and vegans. This special paratha is a filling breakfast on those busy mornings, and bachelors and hostel students can make this in just under 10 minutes. It can also be made as a filling school lunchbox meal for children or as an office lunchbox meal for adults. So let's get started with this amazingly special eggless egg roti recipe. I'm using leftover kapli wheat rotis in this recipe. However, you can use ordinary wheat rotis. Now, for those who are new to kapli wheat, it's an ancient variety of wheat grain, also known as emmer wheat. Kapli wheat has a very weak gluten molecule when compared with modern processed wheat, and hence you will not have any digestive issues like bloating when consuming rotis or parathas made with kapli wheat flour. I have already shared a detailed video on kapli wheat along with its health benefits. Please do check it out to understand more. Links will be updated at the end of the video. I have already chopped 1/4 of an onion, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves and 2 green chilies. Into a small bowl, I am adding in half cup besan flour, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon hing, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body. Always remember that when you're using turmeric, you need to add in a little bit of black pepper powder to help the turmeric assimilate faster into your body. Half teaspoon fennel seeds, also known as saunf in Hindi, 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder has less heat but has more color. So if you are using ordinary chili powder, reduce by half. Also, if you don't like your eggless paratha to be spicy, you can totally omit the Kashmiri chili powder. Add in 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and mix everything really well. Add in 1/4 cup water little by little and mix well into a smooth batter. The batter should neither be too thick nor too thin. It should be of pourable consistency. Into this, add in the chopped coriander leaves, onion and green chilies and mix well. Note that the addition of hing, saunf and jeera is very important, especially if you get digestive issues like bloating or gas when consuming besan flour. So do not skip it. Place the roti onto a plate and take about 2 tablespoons of the batter and spread it all over the roti. Heat a cast iron tawa and drizzle in half teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil or any locally sourced wood pressed oil from the place you live in, like wood pressed coconut oil, mustard oil, or you can even use desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and place the roti besan side down and allow it to cook. Place 2 tablespoons of the besan mix on top of the roti and spread it all over the roti. Drizzle in a little bit of oil and once the bottom side is cooked, turn it over. Make sure you're using a well-seasoned cast iron tawa. Cooking in cast iron helps in better iron absorption. So those with iron deficiency anemia, try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware. Once that side is cooked, flip it over and my healthy, filling, protein-rich, eggless egg paratha is ready to serve. You can also slice the paratha into 4 equal parts and serve it with green chutney or pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this special paratha and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.